Today, I'm tired. Still have to be patient and make sure I'm taking the best trades possible. Good morning, guys. So as I can see, EU and EJ are a little weird, not in sync. But GJ and GU are not exactly in sync, but they have volume in the market, right? Rather than EU that's ranging. GU is getting out of that range right now, and GJ is also respecting this level right here. This is respecting this level right here. So let's go down to the 15-minute. Yeah, it's creating a downtrend now, or it's starting to, reverse. Let's see if we can see this break a structure, pull back into this area, and then potentially getting into a setup today. If not, GJ looks good too. If we can see a downtrend formation, if we can see, like I've talked to you guys about all the time, push and bringing that back like that. And then if we see this lower high formation, then we can go for sells. For EU, we're not going to take any trades today unless it breaks the structure and retests. And I don't know, I gotta need a lot of confirmation from EU before I can even think about taking a trade. And then EJ does look like an uptrend, so it's the only thing right now that makes me think that, I don't know, the market's not in sync. But I think euro pairs are a little weird today, so they don't even show like similarities. GU and GJ do, like, yes, one pushed further than another one, but they still pushed up the same, like, kind of in the same formation, and then they're also at the same time pushing down. So we'll see. I am liking pound pairs today. So this is my trade that I just set up. I'm not triggered in just yet. This is the candle I'm waiting to trigger me in. This one. So for me, the 4-hour was showing me that this level is being rejected right here. It has been getting rejected for a while now. So I was looking for signs of a sell bias or sell momentum, whatever you want to call it. The way that I was able to get that data was to see, first of all these wicks up here, right? But not only that, like, just structure pushes up. I need to see a higher high, a higher low. No higher high was formed, a lower low was formed, and a lower high was formed. And because a lower high was formed and price failed to make a higher high, I decided to set up a pending order. It hasn't triggered me in just yet, so just waiting on that. And yeah, pretty much it might not be the only trade I take today. I really want to see GU break below this structure and pull back and retest this level. If we can retest this level, I'll take a second trade today, honestly. But so far, not seeing much of anything. I didn't take any EJ buys because I don't know, like I said, I'm not really feeling euro today. Hopefully this works out in my favor. So I will see you guys. I'll update you guys. So I actually never got triggered into my GJ pair. Was it GJ? Yeah, it was GJ. Never got triggered into it. It just went bullish. I had my stop loss. My entry down here. Never got triggered in. So now what I'm doing is going for buys on EJ. 4-hour level was broken. It retested it, and now I'm going for a buy. See, we saw that big push to the downside, retested it, and we had an immediate rejection. And now we're just waiting. One of the main reasons why I feel I shouldn't be taking this trade is because it's 11 a.m. Markets suck. They've been bad for the last 2 days. And yeah, so right now, honestly, I think I'm being dumb. And yeah, so this might come bite me, but taking the trade, right? I have the target there. If it gets hit, it gets hit, and I'm in the trade. And if not, then I'm not in the trade. But yeah, this is how it looks right now. So I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys soon. All right, guys. So it's literally 3:40. I told you I was being so hard-headed getting into this trade because I shouldn't have gotten into this trade so late. But honestly, it looked like a good trade. It's just that there's a lack of volume in the market. So this is when I got in, and look at everything that has been happening since. So I got in at 11:15, and it's 3:40 right now. But I mean, it hasn't created a pullback, a push. Let's see how it closes above. Either way, I'm going on about my day. Just came back to check on it, and yeah, so super late video post today, but hopefully it happens before the day ends. We see some volume kick in or something during Asian, like that would be amazing. I think one thing that I'm learning right now with this trade is patience, because yes, patience, yes, I have patience in waiting for trades and things like that, but I'm very like, I get very anxious when I'm not on the chart staring at my trade, because I don't know, I like looking at my trades and I get more anxious when I'm not looking at them. So usually I'm here sitting, but if I would have been sitting here for the whole time, it's like it's hours of not doing anything. So I think this is just gonna teach me, regardless of the outcome, um, that I don't need to be staring at my damn trades to see anything happen or have anything happen. Like, I can just let things happen the way they have to happen without, torturing myself and sitting here for hours. So yeah. Anyways, I'll update you guys soon. Let you guys know what happens. Hopefully, it's a win, but either way, whatever happens, happens. All right, guys. So this was last night's trade or yesterday's trade. I wasn't able to update you guys. It literally went out all night. It took me out this morning. I actually had it at break even, so it was okay. But slippage did hit me, so I lost $100 on that. It just moved so fast at that time. So we're done with that trade now. Now we're looking at, we're just looking at the market now, trying to figure out where the market is going, what it's doing. I was looking for sells, but to be honest, I just don't know. So I'll let you guys know what happens soon. Alright, guys, so I was able to get into a trade. EU, it is pushing crazy now. Loki wanted it to leave it running a little bit just because I wanted it to cover the slippage that I was taken from me, my $100 that were taken from me. But I really wanted to get a win because I needed it mentally. Because next week is technically, it's not my last week, but it still is like almost my last week. I'm keeping it as my last week because I have Monday and Tuesday of the following week. So I mean, yeah, technically it's not the last week, but it's like I wanna get it over with. So I could have got on 1 to 2, but this is my trade. Basically, I got into a buy here. It was a little confusing at first, I'm not gonna lie, trying to figure out the bias, but I see EJ was pushing up so much, and EJ looked very clean on the 4 hour, rejecting this level, well, these levels, and just going bullish. I was like, all right, well, euro is strong then. I'm gonna just take the chance and take the buy. Also, because this push happened on for 8:30 news, that I was like, okay, a correction has to happen, and so I decided to take advantage of that. It's not usually how I enter my trades, but I was taking a risk today, and then that's pretty much it. Everything was going bullish, so it gave confirmation of a bullish market, and the 4 hour doesn't look pretty. Now it kind of does, but not really, because it's just a breakout, break back in the same area. So this week has just been horrible. Um, and sorry I wasn't able to post yesterday. I really wanted to post the results, but obviously it went overnight, so I'm mashing both videos into one. Um, I am getting more frustrated of the fact that I'm frustrated because this week has been horrible. I'm also frustrated because twice this week I've been very close to profits, to my take profit, and I wouldn't get them. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that, but if I would have cut some of the profits and gotten 400 instead of 500, which is basically my 1% is 500, right, from a 50K account. If I would have gotten the 400, I would be super close to winning the challenge right now. But I didn't, so I don't know what my rules are gonna be with things like that. I really don't know. But either way, thank you guys for watching. I'm so sorry for missing the last day, but tomorrow I'll let you guys know if I'm trading, and I'll make sure to post a video then. Okay, guys. So thank you, like and subscribe, and I will see you soon. We're getting close to the end of this journey. All right. So bear with me.